Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the SOXL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is crucial not to miss any updates that may impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has classified SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, SOXL has experienced a remarkable gain of 25.63% since we first recommended buying it 15 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.71% since it received the hold/accumulate rating. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $24.09, which could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential -6.99% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -43.56% and -2.95%. Examining the 12-month trend, we predict a 49.32% change over the next year, with a potential return between -1.12% and 106.62%. This translates to a price range of $22.83 to $47.71 after a year. Our latest update on SOXL brings the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SOXL as ETF Downgraded to Hold/Accumulate. The SOXL ETF price increased by 0.391% on the last trading day, which was Friday, November 24, 2023. It went up from $23 to $23.09. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.75%, reaching a low of $22.75 and a high of $23.15. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances and recorded a 25.56% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 43 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $500.73 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 19.69% or $5.66 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 93.9% or $355.15 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 26, 2020, with the price reaching $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, the semiconductor ETF. The SOXL ETF currently has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and drops, it is likely to find support at the price levels of $23.08 and $19.08. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Interestingly, despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF in light of this divergence. On the other hand, some negative signals have been issued as well, which may influence the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of minus 4.51% so far. The indication is that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands indicator, there was a buy signal 132 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 48 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has found some strong ones just below its current level. These support levels are at $20.60 and $18.64. It's important to understand that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of SOXL, if the current support at $20.60 is broken, the next support levels would be at $18.64 and $17.43. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this ETF. Due to its volatility, SOXL is considered to be a very high-risk investment. It can experience significant price movements during the day. In fact, in the last day alone, the ETF had a price range of $0.399 or 1.75% between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 4.52%. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $23.40. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you already own shares, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, SOXL finds support at $20.60. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as you can anticipate a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $22.04, which represents a decrease of 4.53%. This particular ETF is known for its significant daily movements, which also means that it carries a high level of risk. It's important to be aware of this. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? While SOXL holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. As of now, it would be more suitable to consider it as a hold or accumulate candidate, keeping an eye on further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate, primarily due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we anticipate SOXL to open with a decrease of $0.0937 and begin trading at $23. Before we dive into today's topic, let's take a moment to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It is always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we'll take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for the ETF? We're excited to hear from you. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you great success. Have a beautiful day from all of us at StockInvest.